Top 10 phone repair in Seattle. 1. iDriveToYouFix Seattle Bellevue Fast Phone and Tablet and Device Repair. Mobile service 40 to 60 minutes, 579 reviews, Dexter Ave N. 2. Device Experts iPhone Repair, Cellphone Repair, HDMI Repair, 570 reviews, Eastlake Avenue E. 3. Jet City Device Repair, Seattle iPad and iPhone Repair, 4.9, 2,438 reviews, Wallingford Ave N. 4. Jet City Device Repair, Bellevue iPad and iPhone Repair, 4.9, 1,315 reviews, 110th Avenue Northeast. 5. 6666 Device Care, Renton, Washington, 4.9, 521 reviews, Southwest 41st Street. 6. Seattle Device Repair, 4.9, 426 reviews, Denny Way Suite 110. 7. LML Repair, Same Day Phone and Tablet Repair, 4.8, 782 reviews, Harbor Avenue SW number 108. 8. Cloud Electronic We Repair, 4.8, 623 reviews, 133rd Street Southeast Suite 110. 9. Mobile Kangaroo Apple Authorized Service Provider, 4.8, 146 reviews, 12th Avenue. 10. The Phone Guys, 4.7, 1,005 reviews, S. Grady Way Suite E.